Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have some BLT hot dogs. First thing we got to do is make the sauce. All right, in a bowl, you want to add 6 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, followed by about 8 slices of bacon that you cooked and chopped up. Maybe a little bit more than 8 slices, but bacon makes everything better, and you can never have too much of it. And then you want to add 3 Roma tomatoes that I seeded and diced up. Maybe a little bit less. Maybe I diced up 3, but I probably added 2.5. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And then, of course, salt and pepper to taste. Then just grab a spoon and mix everything together. Then let this chill out in the fridge for 4 hours before you make the hot dogs. All right, but thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, we can jump ahead 4 hours right now. All right, so we got a griddle, and I'm going to just throw a little bit of oil in there. If you don't have a griddle, a frying pan works just as well, but I don't know. For this, I decided to use my griddle. And then you just want to throw the hot dogs on the griddle and give them a couple of minutes to heat up and get all nice and crispy and all that fun stuff. Just remember, you want to turn them, fairly frequently, or roll them around. They should start to take on some color after a couple of minutes. When they start to look a little something like this, they're just about done. About another 30 seconds, and then pull them off. Okay, we got 2 dogs in hot dog buns. I'm going to add just a little bit more bacon to each one of these dogs. Again, you can never have too much bacon. Then you want to take that sauce or mix that we made earlier. Give each one of these dogs a generous amount. Follow that up with some shredded cheddar cheese. And finally, you want to top it off with some shreddis. That's shredded iceberg lettuce. You could also add chopped green onions to this, or whatever else you like. Anyway, these are really good. I enjoyed them. But that's BLT hot dogs. Done.